Hello and welcome to Allot 360, Talking with Experts. Today I'm sitting with Tomer Egozi, VP Sales for the Global Enterprise Market at Allot. Hello, Tomer.
Hi, Michael.
Allot is known for both its CSP and enterprise offerings. Can you tell me something about the enterprise offering in terms of the verticals we address, the use cases we cover, and in general, the marketplace?
Yeah, so Allot was selling for the enterprise for many years. We have more than thousands of enterprise customers. About 3 years ago, Allot decided to open a dedicated business unit for the enterprise to enhance our enterprise offering. With that, we provide solutions, what we call traffic intelligence and assurance for enterprises, focusing on IT and network managers, providing them the ability to manage their network in a more efficient way, to assure business-critical applications, and also to troubleshoot issues on the network caused by users or the applications. The verticals that we are focusing are mainly public sector, also finance institutes, higher education, and also technology and manufacturing companies. For many years, we were focusing on the large and mid enterprises with large data centers. These days, we're also improving our solutions also for the low end to SMBs and small branches.
With the global pandemic and the incredible growth in working from home, I imagine that enterprises have had to adjust the way they work and that Allot has had to adjust the solution.
Absolutely. We see that working from home actually create a big challenge for the IT and network managers. They actually had to allocate in a short time a lot of network resources for working from home. If in the past they had to allocate about 10% of their network infrastructure, today they have to allocate more than 90% of their network to have access from home and remotely. So remote users became more often in their networks, which they face now new challenge of providing high quality of experience for a lot of remote users that in the past didn't use this remote connectivity. Talking about R&D teams, talking about also marketing, finance, corporate, people that were not used to work remotely. So to provide high quality of experience requires also high visibility on the network usage, on the applications that are running, also to be able to troubleshoot issues on the network. And we've seen some issues like sometimes people use the VPN just to access to browse to some websites or even to cloud applications that has nothing to do with the VPN and caused congestion on the network. So with our solutions, we are actually enabling these IT and network managers to troubleshoot and also to optimize their network performance.
Another big trend is migration to the cloud, changing the whole IT infrastructure. How is that impacting the Allot solution?
Yeah, so due to the pandemic, we actually seen companies expedite their movement to the cloud, to the public cloud, moving their infrastructure to the cloud. And still they face the same issues that they need to provide high quality of experience and also have the visibility when moving this infrastructure, these servers to the cloud. With that, we help them, but that also requires our solution and actually any kind of network solution to be flexible enough, to be virtualized, to help this smooth migration from the on-premise infrastructure to the cloud infrastructure. So we provide them these capabilities, and also our licensing is built in a way that they can migrate smoothly to the cloud with the same license.
Another big development for the enterprise business at Allot has to do with being selected by Broadcom to take over their PacketShaper customer base after they decided to end of life their product. How has that impacted the business for you?
So this is actually a great story of how competitors become partners. Last year, when Broadcom acquired Symantec, they actually decided to end of life the PacketShaper product. Now, for many years, the PacketShaper used to be our main competitor in the competitor product for enterprises. It used to be owned by Blue Coat, later by Symantec. And when the Broadcom team decided to end of life, the Symantec team at Broadcom searched for a company that can not only replace the solution, but to provide the same high quality of service and support to their customers. It was very crucial for them to keep the same high level of experience and support for their customers. So we met with them, they did a short due diligence, and they found out that our solution is very similar to their solution. Their PacketShaper solutions were mostly on the low end, while our solutions were more to the high end. So they were very happy to see that we can actually scale up much more than what their product, and that we can provide the same high level of support and service to their customers. And I'm happy to say that also due to that, we at Allot decided also to develop now, and we are releasing now a low-end devices that will enable us to support intelligent traffic management for all kind of customers, from very low-end SMBs up to a very high-end data centers and large enterprises.
So in addition to the work from home phenomenon and the PacketShaper replacement project, what other big developments are in store for the enterprise market?
So we've seen also a lot of infrastructure upgrades in different enterprises. A lot of companies invest in moving their infrastructure to support SD-WAN infrastructure, changing their routing capabilities. We see the SASE also increasing, which means that we need to be aligned to these changes. We need to coexist with these changes. We still see a high demand of intelligent traffic management in such infrastructure changes. For example, we need to coexist with SD-WAN solutions, that they are in charge of the connectivity, while our solution can provide the best visibility and control for the applications and the usage of these applications, and help the IT and network manager align their network performance to their business needs.
Well, it does sound like a full range of activities and an exciting point in time for the enterprise business. Thank you for joining us, and thank you all for watching. See you at the next Allot 360.